So this is the first job thing that we have, which is in Bangalore, which is for L1 and L2, SOC Security Operations Center. So guys, there's a lot of hiring for the SOC people. So if you want to learn SOC, you can check out this URL, viehgroup.com /SOC, right? So you can get experience and job everything there. Just check out this URL. And by the way, the job is required 2.8 years of experience. Department Cybersecurity report to SOC manager. There are a couple of key responsibilities that will be assigned to you. So just pause this video and just check out okay exactly what does it mean, right? And there are a couple of required skills which is required, right? And this is a mail ID, anil.k@mitigate.com, and this is what you need to enter in the subject line, SOC L1 L2 Bangalore, right? Now next opening is basically for cybersecurity analyst. If you can join a technical cybersecurity project for a client, and it's a startup, right? So probably you'll be having a variable salary. And this is a mail ID. You can ask your question whatever you have. You can pause and check out this thing. And these are dot where that we had value set taught in, right? Now next opening is basic for L1. Okay, so it's fresher job. So this want 1 to 2 years of experience. Okay, and basic understanding of cybersecurity, attack vectors, how does SIEM work, secured alerts, and you need to work 24 into 7. Oh my god. Pan India job, and this is how you can apply. Just copy this link and paste into your URL. And second thing is, this is the WhatsApp number by Prashant. If you want to ask anything, any question, whatever you have, you can drop a message here. WhatsApp number is 8123567792, right? Now the next job link that we have is a cybersecurity intern job in a NUB Pragi Technologies Private Limited. It's the internship, 3 to 6 years of intern month of internship there. It's cybersecurity intern, paid training, yes. Okay, paid training and training. I don't know what the fuck exactly they're acting. This is a Gmail, so probably it might be a hoax, but just confirm from your side. Now next opening that we have, which is in Mysore, they want a pen testing trainer. So if you want to join as a pen testing trainer, there are 4 openings. Just apply it as soon as possible. It's in Hackers Era. I guess company owner is Vikas. Okay. They are the key responsibilities. They are skills you will work with, and this is tools and technology you need to work on. And this is the qualification which is required, right? Just pause this video. This is a Mysore based job, so you can check out. And if you want to apply, you can apply from. Now next one is SOC analyst job name. This is a mail ID, hrindia@startapps.com. Not a starter, it's start apps. 1+ years of experience is required, hands-on, SOC, incident response, strong working knowledge, and all firewall, IDR, SIEM, SOR knowledge. Now next one, yeah, that's all for you guys. If you want to join SOC internship, check out this URL. This is a Discord URL. Just check out, and Cyber and Coffee YouTube channel that we have. You can check out, right? So that's all for today. I guess no one is having any questions. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.